Welcome to Aziz English channel, the channel of history of English literature and grammar. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Guys, human being has the ability to share his ideas through communication. The question arises that what communication is. So guys, don't be confused. No fear when I am here. Communication is the activity or process of expressing ideas and feelings, of giving information. I repeat, communication is the activity. It is nothing but it is an activity or processes of expressing ideas. By the help of communication, we will express ideas, feelings, or we will give some information to someone else. Dear friends, communication is the heart and soul of the human experience. The process of communication mainly includes speaking, listening, and writing. Nobody actually learns grammar to learn his or her own mother tongue. It is a natural phenomena that we start speaking what everybody speaks around us. We gradually develop a better sense of understanding with the passage of time. As the period of time passes, we gradually understand and we get command on the specific language. We don't study grammar of our own mother tongue to use it for daily speaking. But when we need to polish our own mother tongue, we have to study its grammar, and we usually do that. When we come to learning a new language like English language, we need to study its grammar. The importance of grammar cannot be neglected, and before we do that, we need to understand what grammar is. So, guys, grammar is the study of words and the ways words work together. It is an invisible force that guides us as we put words together into sentences. Any person who communicates using a particular language is consciously or unconsciously aware of the grammar of that language. Without having no information of the grammar of that language, we cannot use proper words. We cannot use the best use of that language. To speak in a clearer and more effective manner, we study grammar. A person who has unconscious knowledge of grammar may be sufficient for simple language use, but the one who wishes to communicate in an artful manner or in an artistic way, he will definitely seek a greater depth of understanding and proficiency that the study of grammar provides. So, I hope that you would have got a lot of information from this video. For more video of grammar and the history of English literature, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, which can indeed help you to learn English grammar and the history of English literature as well. Take care and wait for the next video. Goodbye and thank you very much.